Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the requested localization is invalid or not supported. Please update or and try again error in the FedEx Express. Okay, so we'll see some of the steps to resolve this issue. So the fix number one is check location details. Verify the destination country, ensure that the destination country is correctly entered and matches the actual delivery location. Check the address, make sure that the address is provided is complete and accurate, including the house number, street name, building name if applicable. Confirm the city. Verify that the city is correctly spelled and matches the actual delivery location. Double check the postal code, ensure that the postal code is correct and matches the delivery location. Review for the errors and typos. Double check for any errors or the typos in the location information provided. The fix number two is verify the service availability. Visit the FedEx website, go to the FedEx website and select the destination country. Check the available services. Select the services, ensure that the selected service is supported in the destination country. Call the FedEx customer support team if to ensure about the availability of the service in a specific country. Contact the FedEx customer support team, the particular support team website. FedEx support team can just select English or whichever the language which you are comfortable. Okay, so once you visit this, so here you can raise a request. See here you can see I have a question about receiving the package. I have a question regarding sending package. Okay, so here you can go to the support. You can go to the general support. You can ask for whatever the problem you are facing. You can just raise a request. The technical team, they will get back to you and they will help you and they will come up with a solution and they will help you to resolve the issue. Okay, so this is how you can fix the particular error. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.